To add cash to your Coinbase account, start by downloading the Coinbase app from the App Store. Once installed, sign into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. If you need help with this step, you can access the Coinbase wallet for assistance. Upon logging in, navigate to the Assets page, where you'll find the option to add cash next to your local currency balance. Selecting this option will prompt a window with the necessary details for a SEPA transfer, which you can then initiate by entering the required information into your banking app. This process applies to both the Coinbase app and wallet. To complete the transfer, simply follow the on-screen instructions. It's essential to have a Coinbase account to add cash, so create one if you haven't already. The process is relatively straightforward. Locate the Add Cash option, provide the necessary details, and complete the transfer.